In a recent video, I took this grinder from Grizzly and added some sharpening discs to it to sharpen knives. If you want to see that video, just go to my channel and you'll see it listed there. It's probably the video right before this one. All right, let's get some knives sharpened. I did buy this holder for the knives online, and I'll link in the description to one of these in case you want one. All right, so the wheel's already prepped. This one is. It's already got what they call goose grease on it. That just lubricates your blade as you're sharpening it. This is the slicing edge sharpening system, and I'll put a link to it in the description in case you're interested. In order to get this clamped, this is one of my better knives, so I'm going to put a little piece of tape on it just to protect it from the clamp. Normally I don't do this with most of my knives because I don't care about them all that much. And then we're going to place this on there. You want to get probably about 1/4 inch to 3/8 clamped on there, and you clamp the first wheel like that, and then the one behind will put some leverage on it to get it clamped down really nice and tight. Alright, the next thing is we've got to set our angle. So we're going to take our gauge and set it on there like that. It's actually set really well. You can see that when it hits the knife, there's not a gap between there. If there was, I'd have to raise or lower it a little bit. You can also move, in order to change the angle, you can also move this back and forth, and that'll move the knife forward and back, and that'll help change your angle too. Alright, so our angle's good, so we are now ready to start sharpening. Alright, so I'm going to put my guide against this back rail. I'm going to put pressure on the knife with my hands, and we're just going to go back until we get a burr that comes off the front. I'm already starting to see a burr pop up there. Go again. Okay, just until I get a nice even burr all the way down. Now we're going to flip and do the other side. Alright, so now we've got a nice even burr all the way down. We're going to come over and do the polishing side. Now we're moving to the polishing wheel, and I'm going to put a little bit of the polishing compound on there, and you just start it up and then hold this against your wheel. Now what we're going to do, same thing we did on the other side, and we're going to polish it until our burr goes away. It'll just fall off. Keep working back and forth. And you can see the burr is just about gone. I think one more pass and we'll have it. So you can see how quickly that sharpened it. Well, I had a couple of issues. I lost the video where I actually sharpened this knife the first time. So then I came back and sharpened it a second time, but realized I don't have any footage of it not being sharp. So you'll just have to trust me on that. All right, we're just going to use a piece of paper to test the sharpness of this knife. And paper works really well because as you work your way down, you'll see if you missed a spot along the way. So here we go. Let's give it a try. Okay, it's very smooth from all the way back to the very tip. All right, so there you go. That's how you can sharpen a knife on this sharpening system that we made. If you didn't see that video, go back and watch it. It's the video right before this one. Hope this was interesting to you. Thank you for watching.